Yo people, welcome back to another vlog, City Hunters. Today we're in Hurghuda visiting the biggest mosque of Hurghuda, Mina Mosque. On the back you can see the mosque. I don't know what to expect. I haven't been here before, so it's the first time. So let me take you guys to visit the mosque. Let's go. Now we're walking inside the mosque, and it's got two minarets, as you can see, really high, up high. So let's walk inside. Haven't been here before, so I'm really curious to find out how. I think it's the first mosque in Egypt. I've been before to Egypt, but it's the first mosque that I'm visiting, so I'm really looking forward to the designs of this mosque. Okay, I've pulled down out my slippers and now I'm walking inside the mosque. Let me put the slippers down here. I've just put my slippers here. Now I'm going inside the mosque. MashaAllah. Here you can see some tourists. It's not prayer time yet. So. Yo people, so just did the namaz of Maghrib time, and it was really nice to see that you see, you know, that different kind of nationalities were in the mosque, and yeah, everybody praying, just a peaceful thought. So hope you like this vlog, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and share this. And see you on to the next one. Take care. Ciao.